No one woke up that day and was like, I'm going to really wrangle all of the flaky stuff in our test suite, right? Like they're all trying to do something else, and this is the thing blocking them from that thing. And so like they're not to say like they're half-hearted in their attempt to fix it, but like what they're really needing is a salve in that moment as opposed to a solution. Mm-hmm. So the first thing that I would do is I would like lock down everything. Normally I don't like freezing time in the system, right? But I'd probably start with like the common quick fixes that I can apply. Like, hey everyone, it is now 2019, August 3rd. It's a Tuesday and it's 11:33 p.m. and we're just going to lock that whole server down that way, whether we're using a test tool to do that or Unix. Hey everyone, we're also going to like no longer randomize the test order. We're going to use this particular seed that is known good that we have seen work. Hey everyone, we're going to, change all of the directory globs that are currently in a like unspecified order in Linux. And that's why Linux builds are failing, but on our Mac where it's alpha order, like those are all passing. Like, hey, we're just going to do a sort on all of those glob requests everywhere so that like, we're just loading alphabetically, because it doesn't really matter. And we're going to like go through the half dozen or so quick hit things to just try to get to consistent build as soon as possible. And hopefully that's one person, one day of effort.